Okay, let's learn how to create a Canvas course card. And this is an important piece of your Canvas course, even though it's very basic, as it allows students to quickly and easily recognize your Canvas course. So you can see that I'm in a course right here. I'm going to move to settings, and from there I am going to see the course details. And right here is the course image. If I don't have one, I will select choose image. If an image is already there are three dots in the upper right hand corner. So I'm going to select choose image. And here I have the option to either upload an image or to choose something from Unsplash. So let's say that I'm a biology teacher. If I type biology here, if I type it correctly, I am going to see a number of results. And if I select this little fly on a pine tree right there, I'm going to have that as my course card. And I can scroll to the bottom and I can select update course details. Alternatively, if I hit the three dots, I can always change that image by going to choose image, and I can upload something from my computer. So it's easy to create a customizable image if you would like as well. So using something like Google Slides, I am going to create a new slide presentation. And once I am here, I am going to right click on this option and select apply layout. I'm just going to choose a blank slide. And from there, I'm going to select insert, image, and I'm going to search the web. And let's just say this is an engineering design course. So if I choose engineering design, if I want the engineering design process, I can search for that. There's a graphic that I could use, and I can select insert. And I can do this for any picture. K to 12, it doesn't really make any difference. Here's the explore button right down here, explore. And if I select explore, Google will automatically create some images for me. And you can see some of them are more effective than others. I like this one right here, so I'm going to select that. And then from there, I'm just simply going to select file, download, and I'm going to download this as a PNG image. And my file will download, presumably to my downloads folder, and it will show up on the downloads bar right here. From there, I can navigate back to Canvas, and I can simply drag this image up, and that will now be my course card. So Unsplash is the easy way to go, but if you would like to create your own, that is not difficult at all either. And once you've selected update course details, whether it is an Unsplash picture or a custom designed image, you will see that image displayed as your course card. And on your dashboard, it will be a whole lot easier to identify the course rather than just a square. So if I look at a course that has a square, that color is not the same for everyone. So that makes it hard to identify. Whereas courses that have course cards, they're a whole lot easier to identify. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know.